Sir Winston Churchill, the Prime Minister of UK, once happened to go by a cab to BBC for an interview. When he got down, he paid the cab driver whatever the bill and he said, I will be back in 1 hour. Will it be possible for you to wait so that you can take me back to my house? So the driver looked at him and said, I wish I could have, sir, but I have to go home because I want to listen to the Prime Minister Churchill's speech. Churchill was very happy. He thought, I found the best fan. Without telling the driver who he was, he took out 200 pounds, which was a big money in those days. He gave it to the driver and he said, keep this as a tip. So the driver took the money, kept that in his pocket, looked at Mr. Churchill and said, Sir, don't you worry, not 1 hour. I will wait for 2 hours. Let Churchill go to hell. It means in few seconds, for want of this little money, have you seen how the driver sold off his values, his interest, his character? That is the truth of life today. Families split, brothers fight, friends separate, votes are being sold for want of money, nations are being sold for want of money, your conscience is being sold for want of money. And Churchill finally said, this is the truth. This is the truth. During this corona, COVID, when the whole world is going through this crisis, people say the life is temporary and we are all going to die. Neither we came with this money, nor we are going to go back with this money. We should help people. We should take care of these people. This feeling is only temporary. That we call it as a change. The difference between change and transformation. Change is temporary. For example, I sleep late every day. So from tomorrow, I decide to get up early. Few days I continue, I go back to the old routine. This is change. I don't exercise, but from tomorrow, I decide to do exercise. Few days I go to gym, then again I stop. Change. I smoke. So from tomorrow, I decide not to smoke. Few days I continue, again I go back to smoking. This is change. The next one is transformation. Transformation, transcending the formation. Means transformation is permanent. You can't go back. From Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, you becoming Mahatma Gandhi is a transformation. From Narendra Nath, you going on to become Swami Vivekananda, that is a transformation. And for transformation to happen, you have to grow beyond this money. But most people, in spite of us knowing that the whole world is going through this pandemic COVID-19, schools are shut, students are at home, many people have lost their jobs, people don't have 2 square meals a day, all said and done. It's very good to put one WhatsApp message on Facebook liking. But when it comes to money, we all go back to that only. And we all say that we have come with nothing, we go back with nothing. All this money is temporary, is all good to say. But in real life, in practicality, this is not going to work. That's what Winston Churchill said. That look at the driver who wanted to listen to my speech. And when I gave him 200 pounds, he decided to leave listening the speech and wanted to take me. That's what human beings are. Are you one of those? Am I one of those? Can we stop trading our conscience? Can we stop selling our soul for the sake of few currency notes? Can we live our life in our own terms and say, yes, I have lived my life. That's perfectly okay. That's what Winston Churchill taught all of us. And I'm sure during this second wave of COVID, when the whole world is going through this crisis, a lesson for all of us. whether we'll be there tomorrow or not. Today is a reality. This moment, me talking to you, you listening to me, is the truth. If we can live in the present and if we can help a fellow human being, at least you have that feeling for each other, I'm sure life will be so blessed. So instead of running behind these few currency notes, try in making a life which is eventful, where many people will follow your and mine footsteps. That will be much more worthwhile. Is it not? Think about it. And I shall see you in the next video. Bye bye.